Hey, can you stop yelling at me? Stop yelling. Relax.
I'm not trying to do that. This is a mistake.
Ma'am, listen to me. Listen to me. For safety reasons, can you step out of the car?
No, I'm not doing it. Close my door. Sir, back up and do not touch my door.
You tell her to get out the car.
No, I'm not doing that. You think I'm dumb?
She is not. He's not
You
going
think
anywhere.
I'm stupid? I'm not getting out of my property
He is not getting.
that I paid for. No.
He is not going anywhere.
I'm not doing
My
anything.
car is in front of his.
I'm not. I don't care. No.
My car is in front of his.
No.
This
I'm
car
not
is
doing
jacked
it.
up right now.
I'm not doing
For
it.
safety.
No.
I'm not having an argument with all of you guys. Relax.
I'm not having an argument with none of you.
Your car is jacked up right now.
And I don't care. And I'm sitting pretty.
Okay, so nobody was in the vehicle when he jacked it. Nobody was in the vehicle when he put it up.
Get out the car like this. They tell him to get out the car like this.
We'll look up the law again. We'll look up it again, and if we're gonna do that, then we're gonna handle it like that.
So, where'd you go? Sorry. Who? Do you have it again? Was anybody in the vehicle?
Nobody.
So the chick that's in it now jumped in when you already
He's
left.
in the house when I pulled up to him.
Sir, you might start rolling my way, please. We're 10 floor.
So she jumped in as soon as it was up. Okay.
Right here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, she jumped. She climbed in it when it went off. Okay.
Yes,
She climbed. Yeah. You see her climb in it is it's already up like this.
Go and double check.
Go off.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Will you call me, sir?
He's on the phone with her car coming in. It was their mistake. I tried to explain that to him, but nobody listened.
She locked herself in?
No, keep your door.
Will you talk to us?
No.
No, you can get.
I can't hear you. I'm not gonna talk to you through. Roll down the window.
You trying to open the door to let
Roll down the window.
Angel.
If you want to figure out the situation, you're gonna have a conversation with me.
She's on the phone.
Will you stop? We're not talking to either one of you. I don't care.
Alright guys, this situation kicks off with pure chaos right from the jump. A woman is locked inside her own car, refusing to step out, while tensions explode all around her. Officers try to gain control, but she immediately pushes back, convinced something isn't right. Voices overlap, commands get ignored, and the entire scene starts spiraling fast. What looks like a routine interaction suddenly turns into a standoff, with everyone talking, but nobody truly listening. And in moments like this, that's exactly when things start going downhill.
Is she an adult?
That's my daughter.
adult?
That's my
Is she an
daughter.
adult?
Her brain
Why not? Are you gonna have a conversation with me?
I already know
So we
how
can figure this out. Are you gonna have a conversation with me? I don't want to remove you from the car. If you don't want to remove from this car the door, you don't have to remove from the car. I've already talked to you.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. I'll step back so that you know that I'm not gonna remove you from the car. So he told me his side of the story. Break it down from the beginning. What had occurred here?
Okay, basically, I heard the people. Cool. I came
And
out.
hold on. You're the registrar on this car, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And it is under a loan or lease?
It's goes. No. It's not. It's under what you call it.
A loan or a lease?
Why? Why does that matter? You asking me my side of the story?
Because this is a financial situation.
No.
I'm trying
You
to.
asking me my side of the story, so don't stop me.
Hold on.
In the middle of my telling me my story and ask me
It's
questions.
because I need to get a
No.
complete
You're gonna let me
understanding.
finish talking, then you can ask questions.
Relax, because I'm trying to get the
You're going
understanding.
to let me finish talking. You just asked me what's my side of the story.
You're gonna make this whole situation.
No, I'm not. You came to my door to ask me what's my side of the story.
The police were called. I didn't randomly come here.
Okay, and this is my property.
I'm trying to get this solved.
So I'm trying to talk to you. Did you not ask me?
Henry, just let her talk.
My side of the story. Did you?
Go ahead.
Okay, like I said, I came out here, came in my car. My company knows the defer a payment for October because of the hurricane that happened. Because we were out of work. Clearly some dickhead didn't do that. So it made it seem like it's off with my payments. And my payments is only 60 days, not even. So I'm not even behind a lot. I'm not even behind a lot. They just told me pay 1 month. That's fine. I wish somebody could have called me and told me and texted me instead of doing that. This is embarrassing. I don't do this shit. I pay my bills. I'm a grown-ass woman.
Everybody got money.
You're not finna come to my property and embarrass me on some false accusation.
Complete
You still waiting on them? They on the phone.
Yeah, she got me on the whole because they know they wrong.
Now the pressure builds and the conversation turns into confrontation. Officers demand cooperation, but she refuses to engage on their terms, making it clear she's not backing down. Instead of calming the situation, every exchange adds more fuel to the fire. And she questions authority, challenges their approach, and forces them to explain themselves. But here's the problem. Once control starts slipping, law enforcement shifts gears. This is no longer a simple discussion. It's becoming a situation they feel they need to dominate.
They went back to October and looking at the car. That's crazy.
So,
McGraw, you don't play with me and my money.
so,
My car.
so did anybody notify you that they were coming?
No,
Okay.
that's what I'm pissed off about.
So this morning, did you hear him coming, or did he
I
knock
sat
on the
in
door?
my living room.
Okay. Did he?
And I heard it.
Did he knock on the door or anything?
He didn't do shit.
So you heard the? Will you stop? Let me talk to her. So you heard the tow truck coming,
Yep.
and then what happened?
I came and got my mother.
Okay. So where did you see the tow truck?
Right where it's at.
So it was already in your yard, and it already had the
No.
car. Where? So
It was on the ground then. Before I jumped in, it was on the ground. He did not put it in before. I heard the truck. That's how I knew. I raced to here to sit in here. Now he steady lifted. He steady put the thing on it and lifted it while I was in here.
So while you
You're
were,
not supposed to do that. That's illegal. I know because I watched tow companies.
so it was.
I know, baby. I know game.
So again, so it was on the car, and then as you sat in there.
No, it was not. It was on the ground.
That's why he hit
Car
you with
wash.
these questions. Get you.
Yes.
Yeah, come on, bro.
I'm sorry,
You're not
ma'am.
dumb.
And right now you're on the phone with your.
Yes, I'm on the phone with the company right now.
Okay. Let me know what they say, and then if there is anything, make sure that they give you an email
Okay.
with a printout of anything that they say.
Okay.
All right, and I'll come back and talk to you in a second.
Okay, thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. We're gonna give her warning. Okay. To get out of the car, and then if she doesn't
Charlie 28 and 2310
doesn't take our commands, and we're gonna have to take her out. Okay. Please force as possible, but gotcha.
You see the door open. She runs out. It's already up. She hops in.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, they're just gonna be fighting.
A little bit. Okay. Like put down a little.
Look, she got in like that. She can get out like that.
Then comes the turning point. The story behind the conflict starts to surface. She explains her side, insisting this entire mess comes from a financial misunderstanding. According to her, payments were deferred, communication failed, and now she's being publicly embarrassed for something that shouldn't have escalated this far. You can hear the frustration, the anger, and the disbelief in her voice. From her perspective, this isn't enforcement, it's humiliation. But while she's trying to explain, the system around her isn't slowing down to listen.
Ready?
Don't pull on my doorknob like that. What
Okay.
are you doing?
So I'm telling you right
I'm
now.
on the phone. No, I'm on the phone.
I
with
talked to
them.
my watch commander.
I'm on the phone.
I'm telling you right now.
Listen. Per Florida statute, once the tow truck has lifted the car is physically in their possession. They own the car.
Step out of the car, or we're gonna take you to jail.
No, you're not. I'm on the phone with my company.
Step out of the car, or we're taking you to
No,
jail.
you're not. I'm on the phone with my company.
I'm giving you a lawful
Why
order.
are you arrested?
Step out of the jail. Step out of the car, or I'm taking
Why?
you to jail.
Why?
That's fine.
In the car, he can lift it up.
Yes, she would. No, he already has on video that she wasn't in the car. He already had it up. He's got it all recorded. He's got a video camera in the back and showed us the camera. The car was lifted.
Come on.
For what?
I'm giving you
For
one
what?
chance. Step
No, I'm
out of the
asking
car.
you,
or
'cause I
we're
have
taking
a
you
right
to
to
jail.
know. I have a right to know. No, y'all not gonna bully me like I have a right to know.
Step out of the car.
I have a right to know.
Don't get involved.
Stay back.
Don't get involved. Agent, y'all wrong for that. What you coming over here for? Y'all wrong for that, bro.
She's got to get out of the car now.
No, I'm not.
You're under arrest.
I'm not. For what?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Right now, you're under arrest.
Everybody stay back.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Let me go.
You're under arrest.
Let me go. Let me go.
I'm up.
I'm recording. Let it go. Let it go.
Got her.
Go over that way. Go over that way. Relax. Relax.
You're off of me. Relax.
Get out of ma'am, get out of the way, please. Please. Please.
Don't do her like that.
Back up. Everybody back up.
Get back.
Back up. Put your hands behind your back.
At this point, everything shifts from words to action. Officers begin preparing to remove her from the car, making it clear they're done negotiating. They cite the law, lay out commands, and give her one final chance to comply. But she stands her ground, refusing to be forced out, and that's when the line gets crossed. In seconds, the situation turns physical, commands become force, resistance meets authority, and the arrest happens fast and aggressively. What started as confusion now explodes into full-blown confrontation.
Come talk to me. I got it on
Stay
recording.
back. Just stay back right now until.
No, come talk.
Stay
No,
back,
no.
ma'am. Everybody, hey! Everybody back away from my officers, please! No, it's too late now. Relax. Relax. You wait 2 seconds and I will talk to you.
You did this wrong.
Stop. Stop. I need to breathe.
Then take a breather. Let's go over here.
Stop.
Relax. I know.
I got it.
Stop.
Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there. Yeah, absolutely. Stay in your driveway. That's my neighbor.
Nope.
Oh, you didn't even tell me why you're arresting me.
I'm gonna tell you in 2 seconds.
No, you're not. That's good. I'm gonna sue y'all.
Okay, that's fine.
Sue y'all.
Ma'am, I know. But here's the thing. Listen,
Y'all didn't even read me my
we gave a
rights.
lawful order.
Y'all didn't even read me off right, you stupid bitch.
But we're gonna be right.
I'm in a public space. You are a public servant.
Get out of the roadway.
I can stay in the roadway because this is a public.
No,
this is a
you
public
can't be in the
space.
middle of the road.
They didn't put the car down when they
Do me a
arrested
favor.
her.
Just
They put
get
it-
yourself
they arrested
to where
her.
we can move you out of the way.
Ready to go. You got to be kidding me, bro.
She was on the phone with the company because
It
it was
doesn't-
their error.
They were finna pay. They were, I'm on it. What the f? You think, bitch?
Yep, I know.
That's an improper detainment right there.
Back. Get it. Turn the you back? Ass or I'll spit in your face.
I will. Relax.
Ready for back the dead carrier.
Don't touch my officers. I've said how many times to back up. Back up.
All of us know so.
You're not involved in this. Please step back.
But I can walk.
Right here. Here's my car.
Get off of me.
You're dead.
Y'all know who my daddy is, but I got some for y'all. I got some for you, bitches.
Yep.
We all
As long as you're not involving my officers, I don't care where you are.
You're a public servant.
Sir, you can say whatever you want. No, you can stand over there. When I'm in
The aftermath is just as intense. She's detained, still arguing, still demanding answers, still trying to understand why it escalated this far. Bystanders jump in, questioning the officers, calling out what they believe was mishandled. The scene becomes louder, more chaotic, and more divided. Officers insist they followed procedure, while others believe the situation could have been handled differently. And in moments like this, perception matters just as much as reality, because once people start questioning authority, the entire narrative shifts.
enforcing the law, you do not have the right to enforce anything on me. Back up. Yes, we do. If you keep up, sir, if you keep going, I swear, back up.
I have First Amendment rights.
You do. Over there.
I didn't do anything for y'all to arrest me. Cinema, I didn't do anything to y'all. Y'all just didn't want me to have my car, you sick bitch.
Just now, it was a legal arrest that just happened right now.
When my officers are in jeopardy, yes, I will escalate until they calm down. She started grabbing my officers. I'm sorry.
George, hey, let's go. I'm going to the station with him.
Let him leave.
That girl bad, man.
Who?
You didn't get to
Hurt?
see that car. You were inside the car.
These, what's your name? Officers there, they coming. They coming over.
Who's coming?
That's all I was trying to do was get my card
Who's
out
coming?
my hand.
I think us.
I told you.
Listen, she's not hurt. She's not hurt.
It doesn't matter.
But this is what should happen. I'm gonna tell you what should have happened. I'm gonna tell you what should have happened. I know. Listen to me.
Fix that so
No,
that.
listen to what I'm gonna tell you. This is what should have happened. She should have got out of the vehicle. My officers are my priority.
I'm saying man to man, morally, man, you didn't handle that situation
Sir,
right, man.
you can say however you want.
No,
I
can't
handled
say
it
what I want.
legally.
I'm saying the law, the truth, man.
Well, I'm telling you, I
can't
handled
twist
it
the truth,
legally.
bro. Y'all gotta stop
Everything
doing that
is on
shit.
camera. You can
Y'all
say
gotta-
whatever you
I
want.
know.
I'm not arguing anymore. You're not involved in it. I'm not arguing anymore about it. Okay. All right, I'm out.
You did.
But I seen that girl life was in danger just then, bro.
She wasn't.
That's what I seen.
She's okay.
Yeah, I know she okay now.
She's been okay. Have a good day.
Y'all are going to jail. You didn't even read me my Miranda rights. I promise you I let go. Promise you I get gone.
As things finally settle, the arguments don't stop. They just change direction. Conversations turn into debates about what should have happened, what went wrong, and who's really responsible. Officers stand firm, defending their actions, while others challenge their judgment, calling it excessive and unnecessary. The woman is gone, but the tension she left behind is still hanging in the air. And that's the real takeaway. Situations like this don't just end with an arrest. They leave questions, doubts, and a lasting impact that doesn't fade when the scene clears.